In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the default audio level on your VLC Media Player application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Tools tab at the top, and then go down and select Preferences. Select the Audio tab at the top, and then you want to go and locate where it says Always Reset Audio Start Level 2. Click the check mark next to that, and you can adjust the default audio level and then select save to save it, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.